Well, hey friends, welcome back to the channel, Merely on Time Watch Reviews. It is the AliExpress summer sale time. Many channels are inundating you with their choices for the AliExpress summer sale, which is running until June the 26th. I have extra discount codes listed below, and today I'm showing you 15 watches from 11 different brands, all of which I have owned, I still own, or I have owned. I can highly recommend. I will not be showing you the watch itself in this video, just where you can purchase the watch. You can hunt down the video that I did a video on each of these watches. So stay engaged with the channel. Take a look at the history of my videos and you'll find all the watches in the video that I'm doing today. And yeah, the reason that we do these videos is because when you use the affiliate links that are listed below, I will receive a 7% commission on the sale price. And if I get $25 more in affiliate commission sales as a result of being on the influencer program for AliExpress by July 1st, and that should be easy enough to do with your help, I'll receive another $700 in seed money credit on AliExpress to purchase more watches. Now, I've already committed to giving away a San Martin BB58 Homage, which I am giving away to a viewer of mine, subscriber of mine, if I reach level 5. And if I reach level 5, I'll be doing another giveaway in which I will allocate some of that 700 USD to you to purchase whatever you want on AliExpress, a watch, watch band, whatever. I'll get it in, review it, and then send it right to you. My way of saying thank you for all of the support. So today, 15 watches, 11 different brands, amazing deals on AliExpress summer sale. Let's get into it right now. All right, guys, I'm kicking back, I'm relaxing, and we're starting with what I think is one of the very best deals on AliExpress that you can get. This is the ASIN Pilot Watch, Seiko NH35 movement in it. Look at the price, $61 US, and the bracelet on these watches is really fantastic, engineer style bracelet. So for $61, $62 US, you are getting an absolute fantastic, one of the best value for dollar spent watches currently on AliExpress. I've got a few from ASIN. This one is one of my fairly recent videos, and this is really fantastic. $94.61, and just have a look at this gorgeous dial here. Handset a little bit different, not quite the Rolex Submariner handset that you might find on a Rolex Submariner style case and bezel and whatnot. A bezel action on this is good. Lume on this is pretty decent as well. Really fantastic Seiko NH automatic in it. And now we go on to, of course, Pagani design. You got to include some Pagani design in these giveaways, and this is still, I think, the best Pagani design watch that you can get. This is their Rolex Daytona Homage. This is the one that I have. I actually gave this away to a friend of mine, this white dial version. You can get it in some other really interesting versions as well. You got your ice blue, of course your white, and you got yeah, just some fantastic options there. And $60, amazing price. Sapphire Crystal VK63 movement by Seiko in there. So a Mecha Quartz movement, absolutely fantastic. Next up is the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Chronograph Homage, and I have this watch. I did an unboxing of it, I do believe. The bracelet is a little rough around the edges. It's not perfect, but it's only $45. And again, Seiko VK63 movement in this as well. And you can get it in different options, rubber strap, but I would recommend the stainless steel bracelet. This is one of their newest chronographs, and it is really just fantastic. And it does have a new clasp on it with micro adjusts, with the Rolex style clasp. Proper micro adjusts. Not an on the fly yet, waiting for that Pagani design, but for $50 you're getting a really nice looking chronograph, blue or black, and so yeah, can't go wrong there. Steel Dive, the 1963, SD 1963. Now this is for larger wrists, But this is I just snorted there a little bit. But this is a fantastic watch for $103. Again, it's got a Seiko automatic movement in it, really taking on an Omega Seamaster Homage. The bracelet is absolutely fantastic. I would get it on the engineer style bracelet. That's just my personal preference, but it has a mesh style bracelet as well. Obviously $107, $103 if you get it on the rubber strap. Super well built tank of a watch, large. Check out my video on that. Look it up in the history of my channel. Tandorio is a brand that are pretty decent, and for this price, absolutely amazing. The only thing about these Shark, Seiko Shark Homage watches is on the right here. I'll see if I can get a picture up and I'll show you where. Right here, you can see where I'm pointing. As you turn this bezel, and the bezel action's great on these, the lume's pretty, yeah, it's fair. But these edges are quite sharp, and so hopefully they have machined them a little bit better. But for under $100, the bracelet is really nice on this one as well. I did have, I still have mine actually. I got a customized logo, Merly on Time logo on mine. Let me see if I can find the one that I have. Yeah, this is the one that I have. I just love this colorway. Absolutely fantastic, and you can get it with or without the logo. On to San Martin. This is a steal. This watch is fantastic. Now, I've had issues with San Martin in the past before, but for $158, this is an incredible buy. BB58 Homage. I'm giving one of these away if I reach level 5 to a subscriber. We were talking back and forth on my comment section in the videos, and I'm like, hey, if I get to level 5, I'll give you the watch. He joked about, you know, why don't you send me the watch and I'll compare it to see if it's better than the Pagani. And I'm like, yeah, okay, I will. So if I reach level 5 and I get the rewards, I'm buying this again and I'm sending it off to a subscriber of mine. Absolutely fantastic watch. So crisp and clean. Really finishing as you would expect on San Martin watches. It's well done. The bezel lines up, at least the one that I received does. Mine absolutely nearly perfect. I mean, has a ghost movement, and it does have on the bracelet, you need to know this, it does have the pin and collar system in the bracelet. So when you're adjusting this thing, you know, beware. There's a little collar in there, and if you lose that, it's going to be tricky. But once it's in, it's locked in. It's quite nice. Okay, so that's the San Martin. And by the way, I have other watches from each of these. I'm showing you 15 from 11 different brands, but I'll have more from each brand in the description below. So hunt around with those too. Just not showing them in this video. Welly Merc, this is such a cool watch. I have this one and love it. Zenith Homage, Zenith Defy Homage. It does have, I believe, the Miyota, oh no, it says Seiko NH35 on it. Okay, I think maybe the one I got might have had the Miyota movement in it. Really solid watch. Fantastic action on the bezel. I do believe the bezel may have a sapphire insert in it as well. Actually, this is the one that I have, the blue and orange. Oh, it is really, really nice. Bezel's a little thin and can be a little bit harder to grip, but there's nice bezel action on it. Lume is fair, nothing fantastic, but look at that, what a looker. And for $105, great automatic watch. This is the Christopher Ward C60 Limpstone Homage, and really fantastic tool watch. The finishing on this is all brushed, and it is quite nice. And the dial, which is so basically mimicking a kind of like a meteorite style dial. It's not meteorite by any means, but it does have a fantastic looking dial on it. Nice orange accents with the seconds hand and the pip. Rotating bezel on it, and the action on the rotation of that bezel is pretty decent. $100 US. This one does have the Miyota automatic movement in it. Only thing with these 8000 series Miyota automatics is The seconds hand can be a little bit skippy on them, and I believe it was on mine. I ended up selling mine on eBay, but it's a solid watch. This is, I think, the best chronograph on AliExpress. I'll be doing a video about it soon. It does feature the Seagull ST1901 mechanical chronograph movement in it. This is by Sugas. This is a Breitling chronograph Homage as well, $108. Fantastic price for a great mechanical chronograph. Next up is Boltton, and I have this one. This is an absolute stunner, 36 millimeter Seiko movement in it. The finishing on this is absolutely fantastic. A video is coming out soon on this one, my review of this one. Very little to complain about on this one at all. It is just fantastic. Really solid build. Jubilee bracelet is great. Screw pins for adjustment. They send you the screwdriver, I do believe, in the package to resize it. It is on the more expensive side. And for a Seiko automatic movement, maybe the San Martin would be the better choice. You're saving like $40-50 getting the BB58. But if you're looking for a really nice dress watch, this one is really nice. All right, the best pilot watch on AliExpress. I'll be doing a video on that soon as well. This is the Rudland. Fantastic chronograph, pilot watch. It does have a Seagull mechanical movement in it as well, and 15 meters of water resistance, but it has this cool, this is an IWC Homage. You can see the red dot there is the running seconds hand, and this is a turbine that spins to run the watch off a mechanical movement. A really nice size. Look at the crown there, isn't that just gorgeous? This is a fantastic watch. I got it in the blue dial version. This is the black, and you can get it in blue as well, and the blue is really quite nice. You can get with or without the logo. I think it's the best pilot watch on AliExpress. It's absolutely fantastic. This is a fantastic watch by Watch Dives. I did review this and gave it away as a part of a channel giveaway. I give away plenty of watches, guys, so I have looked at this version without the date window. This one has the date window at the 6 o'clock. The dial is gorgeous. The hands are really fantastic. I mean, just look at this dial. The finishing is really done. For $131, this is one of the best value for dollar spent watches that you can get on AliExpress. Absolutely. Excuse me. And last but not least, a real budget banger, a ASIN, I don't know the model number exactly, but it's a ASIN Homage, and I do have this one in titanium, and I love the sterile look. You can get it with or without the logo. Titanium bracelet, just a pressed or stamped clasp, but it's titanium. Really light, and it's like 37 millimeters. Super legible. It's just a fantastic looking watch, and for only $65. So guys, that is my list. 15 watches, 11 brands. Amazing watches, good value for dollar spent on all of these watches. Affiliate links listed below. Thank you so much for your support. If I reach level 5 by the end of this month, I'll be getting some reward money, and I'm going to pass it on. Already giving a watch away if I get that, and I'll give another one away as well. So guys, let me know what watches you're looking for in the sale, if there are any I haven't listed, and there are extra watches in the description below from each of these brands that you can just click on the link and check it out as well. Again, they're all watches that I could recommend because I own them, have had hands-on experience with them all. I'm not recommending watches that I haven't had hands-on experience as well. Speaking of Bernie, I am getting in a watch soon that I'm really looking forward to showing you. I wonder if I could pop it up on my cart here. Let's just go to my orders. I just want to show you this one. This one I'm really excited about. Not saying that you should buy this one because I don't have it yet. But have a look at this. Oh, the Breitling Navitimer Homage VK63 movement in it. I can't wait to get this one in and show it to you. Except for the Bernie name, right? They don't have a sterile dial option on this one, but oh my goodness. I believe that bezel actually rotates as well, and not with the use of a crown. It rotates by hand. I'm really looking forward to getting that one in. I ordered it with some reward money that I just received, so yeah. All right, guys, I've rambled on long enough. Good luck during the sale. I hope you guys get some fantastic watches. And remember, whenever you leave your house, you need to have a fantastic looking watch to wear on your wrist. And remember, wherever you're going, you got to get there on time. Thanks, guys, so much. God bless. See you in the next one.